Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Styx Blades of Greed game not launching, not opening, won't start, stuck on loading screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all these required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where the game has been installed. Select the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is running from the installation folder or not. If not, then you should run the game as administrator. For that, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the issue continues, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game. This is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow and up through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. So if you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app. Now click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After adding the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on Gear Icon beside username, click on General and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC and after that launch the game and then check if you can play the game. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed, select custom size, type 12288 in the initial size and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option. You will be able to see over here. Click on it and wait for some time. After your Windows is updated to the latest version, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Then Here you have to add your game to the lists. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Styx Blades of Greed game. So for that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall Styx Blades of Greed game and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.